Hey, once this will be a quick unboxing here of an open box from Best Buy. This is the Lenovo Duet. This is the 10.1-inch Chromebook, 120 gigabytes of storage with the keyboard. This is open box again from Best Buy. This is just says factory. As you can see, there is no box with it, and there's also no cable. What shouldn't matter is I think that's just USB Type C. I don't think it has any other type of charger besides USB Type C. I did not actually look at it in store, so I'm hoping it does not look like crap here. I mean, from the outside it looked pretty decent. A little bit of concaving here, but I think that's just how it is. It looks pretty good from the outside. So there is the keyboard. Again, this does not have all the accessories. It's missing the cords. But I mean, it looks pretty good. This is just satisfactory for their... See, it definitely looks like it's been used. There's some... I mean, it's been wiped, but it also definitely has been used here. Alright, I had to take a second here to figure out how this actually works. Never messed with one of these before, so it has the folding out bit there. That is cool. I mean, this is all just magnetic, and it is a strong magnet at that. Okay, the really cool coloring, the blue and the gray. That looks really, really cool. This thing looks pretty much brand new though, otherwise, besides from missing the cord. So that's very good. Hoping I was not going to open it up and just be completely scratched. Quick, once over here. Maybe a little bit. Oh, there's scratching here or not. We'll have to take a closer look at that once I get a free moment here. The case itself looks nice and good. And it is magnetic, which is very cool. And we have the keyboard here, so I don't think there's any back. It's not backlit or anything. This basically looks like a... It pretty much looks like the Microsoft ones. Really, that looks really nice. Again, that's just magnetic. And we can take out, if I can do this correctly here. Yeah, so that's really cool. This looks really good for just being satisfactory. So right now they are $250, normally $300 if you were to buy them new. So they're $50 off right now here in the US. This one was $188.99. So I saved like $60 over the sale price. Saved over about $110 on a new one. So really cool. Stay tuned to my channel. I'm going to be doing some comparisons with this versus my tablets, like I do with all these types of tablet things. I know this is a Chromebook, a bit different from a tablet, but we'll see how it compares to like my S7 Plus and other tablets that I have. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Thank you all very much for watching. Really do appreciate you. Hope you guys have a good one. See you guys next time. Goodbye.